Hello, good morning. This is teacher Jacob, and this class is going to be for ninth grade. So, ninth grade, this is the class. This is the grade, and the class is going to be about vocabulary. Uh, we got a class before, and we were talking about how important it is to have vocabulary in a new language, especially if you are interested in knowing another language. So remember, there are three activities that you need to do and in the process of learning another language. One is you need to listen a lot English. If you listen English, you can speak. Number two is if you learn new vocabulary every day, you are going to read and then you're going to write. And the last part is it is very important because it's about practice. If you practice your English, you are going to increase the skill of the new language. That's what I'm trying to tell you. All right, so keep in mind that. What we're gonna do in this class is about vocabulary. So I want to see you listen in your house and repeat more than knowing that. Of course, if you don't understand the word, what you need to do is to look at the dictionary and look at the meaning and practice. Remember, at the end of the year, you're going to create your own personal dictionary, and then you're going to write the words that you have learned and the words that you will learn, and also all the words that you know, writing and speaking. So you're going to do at the same time. So that's why it's very important this. So my idea is that you're gonna write, you're gonna listen, and then you're gonna repeat 5 times. I'm gonna say 2 times, and then you repeat 5 times. Okay. So let's start very quickly because we studied this last class, and then we go to Unit 6. Okay. So let's go. Shopaholic, while, compare, target, game, teens, purchase, hate, gold, sale, meaning, bargain, save, price, spend, already, got, fit, enough, need, often, request, later, early, keep, cash, store, size, sold, without or without. Some people say without or without. Always, survey, statement, after, agree, disagree, whether, leave, once, everything, amount, month, to, before, all, many, small, medium, enjoy, stable, unstable, patient, impatient, efficient, inefficient, hope, hopeless, point, help, helpful, baby cage, design, nobody, save, unsafe, dusting, slippers, trip, rechargeable, dark, already, comfortable, uncomfortable, expensive, fit. Here is a hand, solving, use, useless, success, successful, soon, puzzle, water, underwater, earned, jewels, breath, list, reason, wearing, low, neat, retailer, details, grocery, into, appear, anything, twice, research. Now, this is the class for today. This is Unit 6. So I need as you listen and repeat 5 times. Remember here, the idea is to practice. Listen and repeat. 10 times if it's difficult for you, or 5 times. It depends on you. If it's difficult for me, 10 times. It's very simple, 5. Difficult, 10. Easy, 5. Okay, understood? Easy, 5. Let's practice. I'm going to repeat only twice. 2 times. Ready? 1, 2, 3. But, but, passport, passport, gaining, gaining, share, share, embarrassing, embarrassing, everywhere, everywhere, airport, airport, pick up, pick up, actually, 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 suppose, language, language, absolute, absolute, dumb, dumb, cheek, great, great, touch, touch, must, must, heavy, heavy, luggage, 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 waiting, waiting, toilets, toilets, elevator, 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 shake. So remember, if you know shake 5 times, if you don't know 10 times. Easy 5, difficult 10 times. Example. It's very simple for me. So I repeat, shake, 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 shake. It's difficult for me. Shake, 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 shake. 10 times. Good. Continue. Remember, 2 teacher, students 5 or 10. Great, great. Grease, grease, finger, finger, apparently, 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 noodles, noodles, rude, rude, departure, departure, forward, forward, customs, customs, sign, sign, flavor, 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 slurping, slurping, manners, manners, someone, someone, carry on, boarding, attendant, attendant, flight, flight, check-in, 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 peace, delayed, delayed, I'm sorry, delayed, delayed, take off, take off, host family, host family, plane, plane, plane. Let's continue. So repeat, plane, plane, arrive, arrive, arrival, arrival, nowadays, nowadays, both hands, both hands, present, rise, rise, bowl, bowl, off, off, whole, whole, mandatory, mandatory, up to, up to, death, death, wrap, wrap, chopsticks, chopsticks, slightly. Okay, let's continue. Slightly, slightly, effort, effort, against, against, once, once, permission, permission, low, low, try, try, front, front, tips, tips, stay, stay, next, next, head, ahead,